If you're like me, you've probably seen so many handhelds lately that they all start to blend together. But every once in a while, a device comes along that actually feels different. And right now, that's the Anbernic RG Slide and the Retroid Pocket Flip 2. Both take retro handheld gaming and throw in some cool design quirks, but which one's actually worth it? Let's talk about it. Let's start with the obvious. The designs are completely different. The RG Slide uses a spring-loaded slider. You slide the screen up to reveal the controls and it clicks shut when you're done. It feels satisfying, solid, but it's chunky. Even closed, this thing is bigger than a phone, and good luck getting it into a normal pocket unless you're wearing cargo pants. On the other side, the Retroid Pocket Flip 2 goes full clamshell. Close it up and it feels compact, way more portable, and your buttons are protected. It slips into most bags or even bigger pockets without much trouble. Build quality's solid, hinges feel sturdy. Screen-wise, these two couldn't be more different. The Anbernic RG Slide gives you a 4.7-inch with full lamination, running at 1280 by 960 resolution with a classic 4:3 aspect ratio. For retro games, that's ideal. It's got a 120 Hz refresh rate too, so menus and light games feel super smooth. But keep in mind, it's not OLED. Meanwhile, the Retroid Pocket Flip 2 steps it up with a 5.5-inch AMOLED display, full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution, and a 16:9 widescreen aspect ratio. It doesn't have the 120 Hz refresh, but the AMOLED tech brings way better contrast and deeper blacks. When it comes to controls and overall feel, both have strengths. The RG Slide uses capacitive joysticks with anti-magnetic interference, a soft D-pad, and quiet buttons. There's a nice click to the triggers, and the 6-axis gyroscope helps with motion-controlled games. It feels solid in hand, but at 379 grams, it's pretty heavy for its size. The Retroid Pocket Flip 2 goes clamshell, meaning everything's protected when closed, making it far more portable. You get Hall effect sticks for drift-free accuracy, analog L2R2 triggers, and even a swappable button layout for customization. At roughly 300 grams, it's lighter, slimmer, and better for bags or pockets. Both devices use a 5,000 mAh battery, which is decent for their size. Real-world battery life varies, but expect around 4 to 6 hours on the RG Slide, depending on usage. It charges via USB-C, but only supports 5 volts 2 amps charging, so about 3 hours for a full charge. The Flip 2 has faster charging, up to 27 watts on the Pro model, meaning you can top it up way quicker. So, which one's better? Honestly, it depends on what you care about. The Anbernic RG Slide is for people who love retro handheld vibes, want that nostalgic slider design, and mostly play classic games. The 4:3 screen is perfect for older consoles. The build is solid, and if you're fine with the bulk, it's fun to use. But don't expect crazy performance for demanding games. The Retroid Pocket Flip 2, especially the Pro version, is for people who want power, modern emulation, and better portability. The AMOLED screen looks incredible, it's pocket-friendly, and it's built for both retro and Android gaming. If you care about display quality, comfort, and flexibility, Flip 2 is hard to beat. I think they both have a place, but the Flip 2 feels like the more well-rounded option for most people, unless you specifically love the slider design of the RG Slide.